welcome back to my channel. So if you've seen my previous video, go ahead.
Ever since the day that you went away, you've been sending flowers, flowers to me, flowers today, instead of sending flowers, come back to me.
Welcome back to my channel. If you've seen my previous video, you know what situation I have going on here. Well, actually, you may not. But this is the makeup kind of that I did in my previous video. So it's the foundation, the primers, everything like that. So if you want to know details about the base of it all, you can go ahead and watch that video. But this video, I'm just gonna go ahead and show y'all how Monique, achieve a purplish kind of cut crease thing. Now, I don't know how to do a cut crease. But I've watched like 30 tutorials. So I got this James Charles palette. I'm so excited to use her. If you're ready to see how I achieve the wonderful smoky eye, hopefully keep on watching. So guys, this is how the palette looks. A lot of the colors may be a little washed out. I didn't get the mini one. I should have now since I think of it, but I didn't. So I was like, I want to play with colors. So I'm gonna go in now and put on some brown concealer. When you're working with colors, you want to make sure you're putting a white concealer or something really bright, really light, so the color can pop and show on your eyes. I'm gonna be using what I have because I'm not a makeup artist. I don't do this every day. I literally just do my makeup for me. So what I'm just doing now is I'm just putting a little bit of concealer here on my eye, as you can see, duh. And I'm going to blend it out, same beauty blender, damp, feels wet, not wet, you get it? And we're just going to blend that out. Now since I literally just took my lashes off, I still have a bit of lash glue. So if you see that, or if you see my eyes sticking together at any point of this, but yeah, let me zoom y'all in. Great, so now since we're all up close and personal, you can get a better view of what I'm actually doing to my eyes. Blending that out. We're really out here trying to get these YouTube videos out so we can have that content on content on content, okay? So if that means we're gonna do a few bulk videos, that's what we gonna do. Okay, I'm gonna blend this one out. And now we have that. So what I like to do when I'm doing any kind of cut crease look or any kind of look where I know I'm gonna be blending for a while, I used to like draw the outline of what I wanted and then pack that into my crease and then go in and do all the colors I'm going to blend it into. And I'll probably do one eye like that, but I'll show y'all another way that you can do it by going the opposite way and then doing a transition color and then going down to the darkest one. I got the James Charles palette and I also got the brush set or brush kit that they give you, or not they give you, but you pay for. So I have that as well, but just to really just boost up the amount of brushes I have. Like literally I only had a good 20 brushes. Now, yeah, girl got some brushes, okay? A lot of brushes. And we already said we're gonna do the purple cut crease, so we're just gonna go ahead and do the purple cut crease, okay? And if you're wondering why I'm looking down, I have my palette down here, so I'm just taking in all the colors. This is my first time really opening her up. I'm excited. They give you a bunch of little brushes as well as a little sponge to use. That's cute, that's cool, but since I'm not a makeup artist, like I've said, I don't know what half these brushes are used for. Oh, they have what they're used for on the back. So this one, or these three, they have multiple brushes in the same thing, and these are the M433 Pro Firm Blending Fluff Brush. Great. So we are going to use the M166 as well as the M441. I'm gonna open an M433, so I have that kind of dimension. I know they also sell them separately if you want to just get them separately, because it's not like, oh, it's the James Charles brushes or whatever, and then you get the brushes and then you can't find them nowhere else on the website. You can get them at different places of the website. So for the first shade, I'm gonna go ahead and pick up the color canvas just so I have somewhat of a transition shade and put that everywhere. I'm just making sure that I have something to attach to the concealer, and I'm just gonna go into the one closer to the purple, and that is Love That. So I'm gonna take that and just kind of pat that up on the higher portion of my eye. And when you're doing, like when you're blending your eyeshadow and stuff, a lot of professionals will say to like use it towards the outer fourth of the brush, so like down here. Me personally, I'm left-handed, I'm already clumsy, and I don't want to have a whole bunch of eyeshadow on my face, so I do use it pretty close, just because I can. But I'm gonna try to use it the way they want me to use it, so. Alright, I mean that's not bad. I'm just gonna go into a lighter purple shade, have the excess off of my brush, and then put that into my crease. And then I'm just gonna go back in with the brush that I used for the pink shade. Gonna go back into the purple. Blend that in with the pink. In this cut crease, you want to make sure that the purple is very prevalent. Prevalent? Prominent? You want to make sure you can see the purple more than you can see any of the other colors on your eye. Okay? Golly. So we're just going to keep going and keep going and keep blending and keep working and keep moving. You know what? Y'all really can't see nothing that's going on in real life. Let me dim some of this down so y'all can see me for who I really am. Oh yeah. Ooh, f5.6. Actually, yeah. Can y'all see me for me? Can y'all see who I am? Can y'all see what's really going on in the life of me? Now since we have that, we're gonna go into the darkest purple in the palette, which is Grape, and I'm going to put that right where my eye literally goes in. So you see this? You see how my eye's literally getting pushed in? That's where I'm putting that purple shade. And this is also going to be the brush that I cut the crease with. So yeah, do what you will with that information. I'm going to blend it out. Y'all were not gonna see me until I was confident in the content that I was putting out. A lot of people, or not even a lot of people, there's like 10 people who were like, oh my gosh, you're YouTubing, great, love you, ooh, can't wait to see where this goes. And I was just like, yeah, cool. And then I went back and watched my videos and I was just like, this is boring. Sorry. AC came on, if you hear it, I'm hot, you know, whatever. Better. Now I'm going to go in with the same concealer that I had. You put the concealer down in a good amount, not just a little bit, and then you just go like that and look up. Now we're just gonna work our way. Why do I have this brush in my hand? Now we're gonna work our way up to that line we've made and go from there. And then here I'm going to make sure I'm very light and there's very little product on my brush, and I'm just going to kind of faded out back here. Plus, I think that my eyes are two different shapes, so if you put a concealer on and your concealer is blotchy, your eyeshadow is going to be blotchy. So, you know, just be very wary of that. And what I'm going to do is pack that darker purple on the outer part of my crease, tapping off the excess, and I'm just packing that in here. And I like to pack it in at an angle so it doesn't look too crazy. I'm going to take the M166 brush and just pack that on here. Do I look as crazy as I feel right now? Going back into the darker purple. Pretty cute, pretty cool, you know? I really do feel like my eyes are two different shapes, but we're not going to get into that. We're going to stop before anything gets out of control. And now I'm going to put on some liner. So I'm thinking of an eyeliner like this. Or should I just do an eyeliner that kind of fades out in the back? No, we always got to wing it out. I can never not do a wing if I'm doing eyeliner. It just doesn't work for me. Maybe my face ain't symmetrical. My eye shape ain't symmetrical. Maybe my face ain't symmetrical. Something ain't symmetrical because this ain't happening. You know what? Y'all keep on talking. I'm just gonna do the rest of my eyeliner off camera because y'all is distracting me. Get loud. So I went ahead and finished putting on my eyeliner. So now I'm just gonna go back into my highlighter and just reapply that. So everything's looking fresh and new and fresh, you know what I'm saying? What is this line? I think when I was doing my makeup, I put my hand there and it just wiped off everything, child. Now, for the rest of this look, I'm gonna go ahead and take some white eyeliner. And don't look at me crazy. Don't look at me crazy, okay? I know what I'm doing. Kinda. Maybe. Not really. But we gonna try something. We gonna try something. Because I be seeing people on Instagram that be having a little color in their waterline. And I want to do that, but I don't have that color pencil. So we're gonna use white and then we're just gonna put eyeshadow on it. Call me crazy after you see it. Alright. 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 I want to do the dark purple shade. I'm going to take the light purple shade and go in first just to have that like really bright purple under my eye, and then I'll like smoke it with the dark one. Can you smoke out a lighter color with a dark color? Okay. Can y'all see it? Is it purple? Then we're gonna go in with the darker purple. We're gonna go in as close as we can to that light purple, and I'm just gonna go to the outer part of it, like here. We are just gonna freshen up my brows. I never get my eyebrows done, so if you see eyebrow hairs just sticking out of my eyebrow, that's on you. You shouldn't have saw it. I'm not mad at that. So now we're gonna put on some lashes. And then for my inner corner, I'm just gonna go ahead and take the only sparkly purple shade that's there. Alrighty, so guys, sir, hello, are you there? And yeah, I still gotta put on something on my lips. This is just the Ultimate Shine lip gloss in the color, baby, I don't know, they don't give you a lot of information, but this is how it looks. So just make it one round thing. Thank you so much for watching. I definitely hope you all subscribe to my channel, like this video if you actually like the look, and I will see you in my next one. Oh, and if you don't subscribe or like the video because you don't have an account, create one, okay? Let's create YouTube accounts all 2020. Bye guys.